guys, I'm Faith Tucker with the MasterCraft marketing team, and today I'd like to walk you through the legendary XStar family of boats. The XStar and XStar S are an integral part of our brand's legacy and heritage as they've fueled progression in the tow sports segment. With this family, the most luxurious styling, top shelf amenities, and powerful performance comes standard. In fact, these boats have a number of options that other brands don't even offer, like FASTFILL ballast and a stunning dual screen helm setup. And with several new innovative features for 2023, the XStar family provides the ideal solution for anyone looking to get into a MasterCraft and perfect their summer. With the most color options on the market, you can seamlessly match your XStar's unique hull design to your tower, windshield, and badging to really turn heads. Rich colors can be added to the interior as well with our Cool Feel vinyl. This unique material stays up to 30% cooler than traditional marine vinyl. Want to black out your design? Go right ahead. And as the sun drops, flip on the RGB lighting to create the perfect evening ambiance. You can also customize the appearance of your tower. Choose black or silver footings, black or silver board racks, and with the Z8 and Z10 towers, you can add Chromax inlays in an array of colors to really complete your design. And thanks to being the first to offer the iconic pickle fork bow in this class, your friends will know when your boat is arriving at the afternoon tie-up. The XStar family has a tall freeboard or hull side height. This accomplishes multiple things. It provides a deeper feel inside the boat, makes for the driest, smoothest ride in the segment, and makes the boat stand apart on the water. Put simply, the XStar family is synonymous with eye-catching style, a flagship feel, and legendary credibility. The XStar family was made to impress in and behind the boat. New for the 2023 model year, the Ilmor 6.2-liter supercharged engine is available for both models in the XStar family. As the world's most powerful towboat engine, it delivers 630 horsepower and 665 pounds of torque. It's no wonder we collaborated with one of the world's premium engine manufacturers, Ilmor, to design it. Additionally, world-class surf and wake performance has always been hallmarks of the XStar. Interested in showing off your skills behind the boat? Enter SurfStar. This revolutionary surf system is admired by surfers worldwide as a result of its strength, accuracy, and ease of use. Regardless of your surfing style or skill level, the XStar family has a wave for everyone. For 2023, the XStar S receives a 200-pound ballast boost. It helps cement it as the gold standard for wake surfing. This ballast increase provides more wave amplitude, push, and forgiveness, meaning you and your friends can ride and progress even faster. Don't forget, FASTFILL technology comes standard on both the XStar and XStar S, meaning you can add over 4,000 pounds in under 4 minutes. What further sets the XStar family apart from the competition? The wakeboard wake is just as versatile as the surf wave. Whether you're learning your first wake crosses or jumps, trying to hit that first invert with full ballast, or training to grab your 8th world title like Megan Ethel, from beginner to pro, every wakeboarder is covered due to long, forgiving transitions coupled with a consistent and predictable top lip. And once your session is over and you're back at the house, both XStars feature onboard telematics to remotely monitor your boat's health and view critical data via the MasterCraft app. If you're looking to entertain, our XStar family is packed to the brim with premium amenities. For 2023, we've upgraded the acoustic experience in both the XStar and XStar S by including 6 Klipsch interior speakers throughout the cockpit, guaranteeing everyone in the boat can enjoy the music. Additionally, you can add 2 or 4 tower speakers, amps, and subwoofers to deliver a premium audio experience while in or out of the boat. And customers have come to love the ergonomics of our patented transom loungers with standard footrests on the XStar S. They're both great options for relaxing while anchored in the cove for lunch or while the family is out for a swim. Your crew will also enjoy your new flip-down swim step on the XStar family. It makes getting in and out of the water easier than ever before. Furthermore, a step has been added on the rear seat of both models in the XStar family to make walking into the cockpit stable and convenient. The XStar family distinguishes itself by elevating the captain's experience. As mentioned earlier, the dual screen helm configuration is standard on both models. This makes programming your favorite wave, finding your perfect settings, and navigating your waterway both intuitive and enjoyable. A new feature captains will love for 2023 is the power helm seat. Raise or lower the helm seat at the press of a button for the ultimate in comfort, convenience, and personalization. And the XStar family can come equipped with a boat captain's best friend, our stern thruster. With the most powerful stern thruster on the market, you're able to pivot the boat 360 degrees in under 30 seconds. The integrated throttle control makes it easy to look like a pro. It's an incredible tool around tight docks, in the wind, and for quicker rider pickups. Lastly, it's worth mentioning that both the XStar and XStar S come standard with underwater exhaust. This innovative feature drastically reduces engine noise to elevate the cockpit experience. Both members of the XStar family are handcrafted, developed with the highest quality materials, and tested relentlessly with 24 hours of offshore validation. We're passionate about everything that goes into our boats to deliver you with the best on-water experience. And each boat comes with MasterCare. MasterCare is our way of saying we've got your back. The MasterCare warranty is a top-of-the-line 5-year, 500-hour warranty with minimal exclusions. This also includes an unrivaled engine warranty, 7 years or 1,000 hours. With both the XStar and XStar S, you'll also receive the best resale value in the industry and the option of a custom trailer to match your boat. Thanks for hanging out with me today to learn how the XStar family remains in a class of its own. These legendary boats deliver luxurious styling, premium amenities, and powerful performance. If you'd like to take a test ride or learn a little more, contact your local MasterCraft dealer or visit mastercraft.com.